Hi children, welcome back to online classes. Okay, today I am going to take science. I want to recall all the previous lesson. First lesson, what you study? Birds kingdom. First lesson, what you study? Birds kingdom. Birds that can fly, birds that cannot fly. The second lesson, our food. Second lesson, our food. Healthy food, unhealthy food. Okay. Okay, next third lesson. Topic, animal and a things one color study. Okay, next topic, other form. Other form, what you learn? Other form, birds, animals, rat, cow, plant, color study, flowers. Okay. Okay, next topic. Other form, next topic. Indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games and outdoor games. What is learn? Indoor games. Carom, boxing, snake and ladder. Next, outdoor games. Kabaddi, hockey, cricket. This is for outdoor games. Okay, now I am going to teach living things and non-living things. Living things and non-living things. Living things means we have soul. உயிர் உள்ள பொருட்கள். Living things means உயிர் உள்ள பொருட்கள். Non-living things உயிரற்ற பொருள். உயிரற்ற பொருள் means furnitures, vessels, like that. Living things. Topic, living things. Plant, birds, animals, trees, reptiles, insects, and fishes. These all living things. Living things means உயிருள்ள பொருள், வளரக்கூடிய பொருள். பிளான்ட்டு வளரும், பேர்ட்ஸும் குட்டியிலேருந்து பெருசாகும், அனிமல்ஸும் சின்ன குட்டியாக இருக்கும், அப்புறம் பெரிய அனிமல்ஸ் ஆகும். ட்ரீஸும் சின்ன ட்ரீயாக இருந்து அப்புறம் பெரிய ட்ரீ ஆகும். ஸோ தீஸ் ஆர் லிவிங் திங்ஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், பிளான்ட். PLANTS, plant. PLANTS, plant. Birds, 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 birds. Next, animals. ANIMALS, animals. Animals. Trees. TREES, trees. TREES, trees. TREES, trees. The next, reptile. Reptile means ஊர்ந்து போகக்கூடிய பூச்சி இனங்கள். Reptiles, ஊர்வனர். reptiles, 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 reptiles. The next one, insects, insects, பூச்சி வகைகள். insects, பூச்சி வகைகள். insects, 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 insects. The next, fishes, 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 fishes. Non-living things, non-living things, non-living things na உயிரற்ற பொருட்கள். vehicles, vehicles, kitchen things, kitchen things, kitchen things, plate, spoons and everything, kitchen things. grocery, grocery means மளிகை கடை. grocery. food, food. snacks, snacks. playthings, playthings, toys, that is non-living things. playthings. furniture, furniture, chair, tables, cupboard, everything furniture. furnitures and dresses. vehicles, vehicles, car, bus, train, that is vehicles. vehicles, vehicles. 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 The next one, kitchen things, kitchen things. kitchen, kitchen, things, kitchen things. kitchen things. grocery, 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 grocery. The next one, food, 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 food. snacks. S N A C K S snacks. S N A C K S snacks. S N A C K S snacks. Playthings. Playthings. P L A Y T H I N G S playthings. P L A Y T H I N G S playthings. P L A Y T H I N G S playthings. Furniture. Furniture. F U R N I T U R E furniture. F U R N I T U R E furniture. F U R N I T U R E furniture. The next one, dresses. Dresses. D R E S S E S dresses. D R E S S E S dresses. D R E S S E S dresses. Okay, children, listen. Living things, plant, birds, animals, trees, reptile, insects and fishes. Non-living things, vehicles, kitchen things, grocery, food, snacks, playthings, furnitures and dresses. Children, now we are going to do our exercise. Name the living things. Name the living things. The first picture, what is this? What picture is there? See the picture and tell me. What is this? Plant. What is this? Plant. What spelling for plant? What spelling for plant? P L A N T S plant. The next one, what is this? See the animals. What animal is there? Elephant is there. So what is this? Animals. What spelling for animals? A N I M A L S animals. Okay, next one. See what is this? Colorful birds. What is this? Colorful birds. What spelling for birds? B I R D S birds. B I R D S birds. Okay, next one. See this. What is this? Fishes. What is this? Fishes. What spelling for fish? F I S H E Yes, fishes. 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 The next picture. What is this? Trees. What is this? Trees. Spell the. What spelling for tree? Spell it. T R E E S. Trees. T R E E S. Trees. Okay, the next second exercise, match the following. Now match the following. The first one, furniture. 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 Where is the picture? Furniture is there. See, first, second, third one. Third one, furniture. With the straight line. The next one, GROCERY, grocery. 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 Where is the picture grocery? See this last one, grocery. The next one, read the spelling. VEHICLES. Vehicles. Where is vehicles is there? The second picture. Vehicles. The next one, dresses. 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 Where is dresses? The first picture, dresses. Okay, good. The next one, snacks. Okay, this is wrong one. You got the spelling. Snacks. Write it here. Food. 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 Okay, here food picture is there. So you have to change the spelling. Food. You match it. Food. Okay, children. Do these pages and send it for me. Thank you. Bye.